Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire. You struggle to rule your attention. He commanded armies. You negotiate with notifications. The Stoics did not fear chaos. They feared losing authority over themselves. Marcus wrote alone, at night, on paper. Not to impress anyone, not to perform wisdom, but to train it. He called it the Inner Citadel, a mental fortress no external event could penetrate. Today, your citadel vibrates in your pocket, flashes, scrolls. It demands. And every reaction is a surrender of authority. The Stoics trained one thing above all: attention. Because attention precedes thought. Thought precedes decision. Decision precedes action. Action precedes destiny. If you cannot govern your focus, you cannot govern your future. Modern platforms monetize interruption. Stoicism monetized clarity. Your phone is not evil, but it is engineered. Engineered to fragment. Engineered to stimulate. Engineered to keep you reactive. A reactive mind feels busy. A strategic mind feels quiet. Marcus did not scroll for answers. He interrogated his own thinking. Writing slowed him down. Slowing down revealed patterns. Patterns revealed truth. And truth created power. You do not lack intelligence. You lack stillness. You do not lack ambition. You lack undisturbed thought. The inner citadel is not built in public. It is built in silence, daily, intentionally. Withdraw for 20 minutes. No scrolling, no consumption, no reaction, just paper, just ink, just awareness. Because power begins where reaction ends.